Today's video, guys, I'm going in the Russian church. This is the Russian church. Ayan. Puntahan po natin siya mamaya dyan. Maglalakad tayo. Ito yung bahay namin, magmula doon. At ito yung papunta ng Russian church. So, let's go, guys. For today's video, guys, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, i-vlog ko ngayon ang Russian church. As you can see in my channel, guys, meron ako doong video kung saan ang Russian church na ginagawa pa. So, ngayon na tayo, yung nasa baba pa yung ano niyan, yung pinakadulo niyan, yung taas nilang kampana. So, ngayon, nasa taas na. Tingnan natin kung ano nang itsura ngayon after how many years. See you! So, ayun na nga, guys. Ayun na yung Russian church. Tingnan na natin sa loob. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. See you later. Alligator! Excited na ba kayong makita sa loob? Pero I think it's not allowed there inside, just outside to take a video. So outside lang tayo magbi-video. Tingnan natin kung makapasok pa tayong magsimba doon. See you later. Where to go, guys? I don't know where to go if nobody here. Nobody here. Sarado man dito. Paano kayo? Paano magsimba? Tingnan natin, tanangin natin, guys.